In the constantly evolving world of firearms, the quest for the smallest yet most powerful weapons never stops. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the mightiest pocket-sized revolvers of 2025. What makes them so compact, but still pack a punch? Stick around as we explore the tiny titans making a huge impact in the gun world this year. First up at number 8, we have the North American Arms 22LR Revolver. This one's a favorite among firearm enthusiasts. Designed to be super small and light, making it a breeze to conceal. Chambered in .22 long rifle, it even comes with a side carry holster for quick, easy access. This revolver is single action, holds 5 rounds, and is built tough with stainless steel components for durability and corrosion resistance. Its unique halfway notch cylinder safety means you can carry it loaded but uncocked, minimizing accidental firing risks while still being ready in an instant. With a short 1.13-inch barrel and a tiny 4-inch overall length, it's perfect for concealed carry or as a backup. Coming in at number 7, what's better than a light, fast-handling revolver that's quick to get on target? The Ruger LCR. For .22 LR, .22 Magnum, and 38 special models, it's crafted from aerospace-grade 7000 series aluminum, ensuring a frame that's both light and strong. For more powerful calibers like 9mm Luger and .357 Magnum, the frame is stainless steel, providing serious strength. Its patented friction-reducing cam trigger system gives you a super smooth, consistent trigger pull for better accuracy. Plus, the Ruger LCR features a Hogue Tamer monogrip, which really helps absorb recoil and boosts comfort and control. And here's a cool part. It has a grip peg, so you can easily swap out grip styles to fit your hand, traditional or finger groove. What's your pick for your LCR? At number 6, we have the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38. This compact, lightweight revolver expertly blends modern design with classic reliability. It's chambered in .38 Special and can even handle +P loads. Operating in double-action only mode, its concealed hammer means a snag-free draw. Built with a stainless steel upper frame and a sturdy polymer lower, it strikes a great balance between toughness and reduced weight. The stainless steel barrels are 1.8 inches long, paired with a 5-round cylinder for ample ammo. The cylinder itself is PVD coated, giving it a sleek matte look and boosting its durability. An ambidextrous cylinder release makes it user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. With a pinned adjustable front sight and a fixed rear sight, it's a truly reliable firearm. Weighing a mere 14.2 ounces, the Bodyguard 38 is one of the lightest revolvers, making it incredibly easy to conceal. Searching for a revolver that literally disappears into your pocket, purse, or holster? Check out the new Diamondback SDR, hitting our list at number 5. It's incredibly compact and light, making it perfect for concealed carry. This weapon is built from premium stainless steel for strength, and its rounded edges prevent snagging on clothing, ensuring a smooth, quick draw when you need it most. It features a removable cylinder for super easy cleaning. Just press a button, and you can access the internal parts. The Diamondback SDR is chambered in .357 Magnum, but can also use .38 Special ammo. Its 2-inch barrel is ideal for concealed carry, and the cylinder holds 6 rounds. Weighing 21 ounces, the SDR sports a low-profile orange fiber optic front sight and a dovetail fiber optic green rear sight for excellent visibility and faster target acquisition. Plus, the Diamondback Hogue grips give shooters a comfortable, secure hold even in tough conditions. This SDR revolver truly delivers maximum firepower in a compact package. Are you looking for an extra-light revolver with uncompromising performance? At number 4, we're introducing the new Kimber K6xs, designed for those who demand both convenience and power. This mini version shares all the great features of its sibling, the K6s, including the same lightweight, non-stacking trigger system for smooth pulls, enhancing accuracy and control. Built on an aluminum alloy frame with a sleek silver Kimpro 2 finish, the K6xs is perfectly suited for concealed carry and everyday use. It includes a fluted glass bead finish cylinder and a barrel slot cut, further reducing weight without sacrificing durability. Chambered in .38 Special Plus P with a 6-shot cylinder, the revolver weighs a minimal 15.9 ounces. The 2-inch stainless steel barrel is protected by a glass bead finish, while the Hogue rubber cobblestone grips ensure a comfortable shooting experience. The Kimber K6xs is a solid choice for anyone needing a compact, easy-to-carry revolver for self-defense. At number 3, do you believe a feather-light weapon can defend you instantly? The Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 642 truly can. Compact and light, this weapon is also steel-strong and always ready for sudden defense. It boasts a performance-centered tuned action, meaning a significantly smoother and lighter trigger pull than standard models. Its aluminum alloy frame and stainless steel cylinder keep it light, making it comfortable for long-term carry. The high bright polish on the thumb piece and side plate screws not only looks great, but also adds to its functionality. With a 1.87-inch barrel and a 5-round cylinder, it provides plenty of firepower for personal protection. The synthetic grips further enhance the Smith & Wesson 642's secure hold, with elegant wood inserts giving it a classic look. Moving to number 2, the Colt Python holds a legendary status in the firearm world, celebrated for its high performance and classic design. Its timeless aesthetics, combined with exceptional performance, captivate shooters and collectors alike with its beauty and craftsmanship. Crafted from stainless steel alloy with checkered wooden grips, it ensures shooter comfort and helps reduce felt recoil. The revolver's exterior has a mirror-like finish, not only boosting its visual appeal, but also protecting against rust and corrosion, keeping it looking pristine for years. It's known for its buttery smooth operation and light trigger pull, which greatly enhances accuracy. Colt has also expanded its lineup with various configurations to suit different preferences. Whether you need it for target shooting, concealed carry, or home defense, there's a Colt variant for you, making it a prized possession for any shooter or collector. Finally, at number 1, thinking of adding a lightweight compact weapon for self-defense to your collection? The Smith & Wesson Model 351C is an ideal, easy-to-carry revolver for personal defense. Its .22 Magnum chambering provides ample stopping power, making it an effective tool for self-defense. The aluminum alloy frame keeps it lightweight while ensuring durability. The stainless steel barrels measure 1.8 inches, enhancing portability and ease of concealment. The cylinder holds 7 rounds, which is more capacity than many other compact revolvers. This revolver features an internal hammer design, preventing it from snagging on clothing. Its white dot front sight and U-notch rear sight allow for quick target acquisition and accurate shooting. And it's not just about function. The matte black finish on both the frame and barrel gives this shotgun an aesthetically pleasing, cohesive design. These smallest revolvers for 2025 are absolute must-haves for your holster, each bringing unique features and benefits for every preference and situation. That's all for today. Which ones from our list are you eyeing this year? Let us know in the comments below. See you again soon. Take care.